Have you ever met someone and instantly knew you'd never forget them? It wasn't because they were loud or trying too hard. It was because of the feeling they left you with. Something deep, subtle but powerful. I used to believe unforgettable people were simply born that way. But I've learned it's not about standing out. It's about tuning into the moment, to people, to presence. And that changed everything for me. My own shift happened one afternoon during a rough patch when I felt practically invisible. Someone I barely knew asked how I was. This time, it wasn't just polite small talk. They genuinely meant it. They listened. No judgment. No quick advice. Just space. I remember thinking, I want to be that kind of person. The kind you don't forget because of how safe you feel around them, not how loud they are. So, what truly makes someone unforgettable? It's what I call the echo effect. It's the way your presence lingers, not in words, but in the enduring feeling you leave behind, noticed, accepted, safe. Most people simply want to feel like they matter. Unforgettable people give that feeling effortlessly, without trying to impress. They don't assume. They don't label you the second you speak. They don't see you as a problem to fix or a type to categorize. They just see you. They see your depth, your pain, your own unique reasons. And they approach with curiosity, not conclusions. Being unforgettable means making people feel their voice matters, even if it's different from yours. It means creating space for diverse perspectives, truly listening instead of silently preparing a rebuttal. You can disagree, of course, but you do it with honesty, not hostility. You explain your stance without belittling theirs. You stay open, because even if your mind doesn't change, you might just learn something profound. That kind of energy is rare, and rare is unforgettable. This authentic presence also imprints itself in subtle ways. People might remember your unique scent, or even unconsciously adopt some of your genuine mannerisms. It's not performative or calculated, it's just real. And in a world that often feels artificial, authenticity is a magnetic force. Our brains are wired to remember how we felt in someone's presence. That's why genuine, non-transactional kindness leaves a lasting mark, like a unique fingerprint. But let's be clear. This isn't about being naive. It doesn't mean letting people take advantage of your openness. You can set firm boundaries and still choose grace over judgment. You can protect your energy and still believe the best in people. You can be cautious without being cold. Because what makes someone unforgettable isn't perfection. It's presence. It's showing up as your full self and creating space for others to do the same. So, don't focus on being impressive. Focus on being present. The people who do that, they stay with us, not because of how they looked or what they achieved, but because of how they made us feel. And that, above all, is what makes someone truly unforgettable. If you like this idea of becoming unforgettable, do one press up and hit the subscribe button. Comment what helped along your own journey of becoming that person.